Hi friends, so today we cover one more video related to the PIM. Okay, so in last video we explored only few data type as per the data model, but today we cover almost all the attribute. Okay, so just go to the simply minimize all the thing. Okay, just you can click on the setting. On the setting you have the data object. Okay, you have data object. There are many other types also. Okay, but just want to click a class to create a data model. Okay, data model related to the product. Okay, product. So auto id already created. Okay, so just explore the detail. Okay, now you can also minimize all the setting. Okay, so today I am just adding one template. Okay, all data types. Okay, just want to add one data type. Okay, first under the input, this is the input. Okay, you can want to add, you want mandatory indexing. If you want to make any, this is unit. If you check with the editable, so your input attribute is not editable. So you want invisible. In the some case you have just check the checkbox. Okay, if you want to visible this created attribute, so you just click in the checkbox. Okay, you also want to visual in the search box, you can just click in the search box. And there the css type, so you can add custom css style if you want to customize your layout for the your object screen. So just add some custom css. Okay, if you want to add some default value, you can add the default value. Okay, so there are the many detail. Okay, you want to default generate a class service, you want to add a service path. Okay, you want to add height and width, so they are height width. Okay, you have want to column, you can add the column with it. Okay, if you need to add regular expression. Okay, you want to add regular expression, so just today we want to save one. Okay, and just go to the data object. Okay, right click and create a data object under the product. Okay, so t-shirt one. Okay, so now you can see this is the one input, name is input, and this is the mandatory. Okay, so once you can see this is the red icon with the input type. Okay, if you want to not a mandatory item, just you can click and save. So your data model is updated now. Just you can refresh this object. You can see this is a remove the icon. Okay, if you want to increase the width and height for the input value, just go to the class. Okay, and you can add some uh, pixel. Okay, 5 pixel, 500 pixel. Okay, you can see after save. Okay, you can see this is the increase your input type. If you want to add some custom css. Okay, just color is red. Okay, so if you want to, I think some issue back background color with it and okay. Okay, this is the layout. This you want to save. Okay, okay, this is the CSS. So if you want, I think some reload. You want to some opening the new at 8, then your css will be effective. Okay, so now I'm not explore the css part. Okay, you can just explore in something. If you want to uh, uh, in visual your attribute, you can see name is invisible. Okay, so this is related to the other functionality of the pin code. Okay, now just I'm just adding more input value. Okay, so just click okay under the input text area. Okay, text area one. Okay, under the text area you can add widget, so editable editor, DI editor. If you want to add password, you can also add password field. If you want to input value, input in ty. Okay, if you want to add quantity, you can use tooltip also. Okay, so now just want to number. So there are many we have already used. If you want to add date time, you can add date time. Okay, now you can add some select box. Okay, you enter select one. Okay, if you want to add multi select, you have the multi select. Okay, if you want to add some country level data, you have the country data. Okay, if you want to add some country with a minimum localized. Okay, if you want to save a user, you can use user data. Go with some media section. Okay, external images. External images, we have already used the simple image in gallery. So in the relation we go many to one relation. Okay, now add some useful point you want to add. You can add some uh, geo geo point. Okay, if you want to some add Siam related like first name email, you can want to just email. Okay, email. Okay, if you want to some user data, okay, related to CRM, you select the gender. Okay, gender value. If you want to select some structure value like block or something, can you add to block. Okay, block one. Okay, if you want to add some table, a structured table, a field collection. Okay, you want to add table one. Okay, other related to you want to color correction, you can add color also. Okay, if you want to add some checkbox. Okay, checkbox one. If you want to explore e-commerce, you want to add. Okay, I choose last one. Okay, this is related to the calculate value. So now want to save. Okay, which one? API. Okay, following. Which one? Okay, value. Okay, need value, I think. Okay, type input with those column with action of a. I think you can add. Okay, so there need to add more value. So just want to delete now. Okay, want to save. Okay, after saving this data model. Okay, just want to refresh. Okay, after refresh you can see there are the many option available. Okay, so now You can say test one. Okay, lorem leaves some taste. Just want to add some lorem stem taste editor. So there are editor you can add. You can want to bold you or alter bold. Okay, you want to some add some extra point. You have to add extra point. Okay, so you are able to add your data as per your detail. Okay, there's a password. So if you want to add some password 1 2 3 4 5, this is auto separate. So if you want to enter quantity, you can say this is the tooltip. We have already did a tooltip. So as per the requirement, you have the tooltip also. And also there are the some uh, uh, type data type like kg, kilogram, watt, megapack. So if you want to, you can use. Okay, you have date time. Okay, you can select date. Okay, you are able to select it down. Okay, there are multi select. Okay, so select value not available. Okay, so just want to save this data. Now go to the data manager, select. So selected no value. Just want to add some value. Test one. Okay, test two, test three, test three, and go to the multi select. Multi select also need to value list one, list two, list two. Okay, list 3. Okay, just want to save. Okay, so we have already the drop down value for the select or multi select. But if you want to connect with the DB, you can use the script. Okay, now go to the object and refresh. Okay, you want to some added value already appear because I want to save. Okay, so you can see this is the selected drop down value. So just you can select in multi select, you can select the multi select option. Okay, in country level you have the also without adding any script, yeah, with any further logic, you have the full list of the all detail. Okay, so there India also available. Okay, your data you can see that the admin, yeah, already there are the many users. So if you want, you can use the editor also for the external images. Okay, some dummy image, dummy image URL. Okay, so if you want to use some dummy image URL. Okay, so this is the dummy image. Okay, just want to add some dummy image. Okay, so if you want, just paste this, the image is showing the perfectly. Okay, if you want to some relation. Okay, yeah, so there are the many object. So just drag and drop. Okay, you can simply relate your data. Okay, you can also delete. There are many options. Okay, you want to delete, you can delete also. Okay, uh, there is jigsaw point. You can add the longitude and latitude. Okay, longitude and latitude. Okay, email, if you want to email like this. Okay, I think email. If you want to select gender, there the auto fill male depends something. Okay, you want to add some block, you can add many block field. Okay, you have add under the create the under section. Okay, so just to go to the block. Okay, under the block, just add one input field. Okay, input, just go and save another block section. Under the block section, you can see input here. Okay, if you want to one more field related to the external image. Okay, 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 because we have not added the name. Okay, image, just want to use some dummy image. Okay, just want to the object. Okay, and you can see under the block. Okay, URL or once URL, the image is just append. Okay, so these are the value. Okay, you want to create table, you can able to create. Okay, you pick the color. Okay, color value available, you can just drag and drop. Okay, there the hexa code if you want to just. Okay, the hexa code already added. Okay, if you want to change. Okay, just click. Okay, there the depending upon your requirement you change the color also. Okay, there are the checkbox, so there are the many data type. So as per your requirement you click check the database, so data type. So these are the your object showing. Okay, and if you want to export this data model, you can see data model export in the JSON format. Okay, and you can see the data with the in JSON format. You can see all the data related to the JSON format. Okay, so if you want, you can use your object in your uh, live site. Okay, so just want to check. Okay, some demo site. Okay, under the news. Okay, just exploring. Okay, if you take time, you can use other. Okay, so under the section, this is the news image, news template. Okay, it take time to reload because the news have the many data. You can see the new news have the many data. Okay, so as per the requirement, you can add a header. Okay, if you want to just simple tag and drop data object, if you available, then you can. No, I think we need to create a model. Okay, so header, just a second. If not, then I will the home page. Okay, just file a by. Okay, popular sale. There are option to add images on all the detail if you want to add object. So there are the many option too. You can upload many detail, protect, create, drag and drop. Just you want to. Okay, so okay, no problem. I will use the next video to explore the CMS part. Okay, so now focus. You have created a data model related to the multiple data types. Okay, and you have created successfully object. Okay, and you can see this is the detail. Okay, if you want to explore, you can create and explore. If you have any doubt, you can just comment me. If you like the video, you can like the video. Okay, subscribe also. Thank you so much.